How to work with marks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace. Select the clip you want to work on, then add a new node by right-clicking and choosing Add Serial Node. This is where you will apply your marks. Next, select the window icon below the viewer. Here you will see several mark shapes like circle, square, or polygon. Choose the one that fits your subject or the area you want to isolate. You can adjust the size, position, and softness of the marks by dragging the controls directly in the viewer. After placing the marks, track its movement if your subject is moving. Click the tracker panel next to the window tools and use the forward or background tracking buttons. DaVinci Resolve will automatically follow the marks across the frames. You can now apply any color correction or effects in the marks area. To make the effect affect the outside instead, invert the marks by clicking the invert button in the window panel. If you want more complex shapes, use the polygon marks and add points around the subject. Masking is very useful for isolating faces, object, or background and can dramatically improve the look of your video when used carefully. And that's it. Now you know how to work with marks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.